Wow. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I did this kind of like soft, glam, summer makeup look. It's like very glowy, very like natural looking. This is my go-to makeup where like if I'm trying to go somewhere cute and I want to look cute but not like do eyeliner and like all of the extraness, I will do this and still like be sparkly and glow. I hope you guys do like this look. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you think. Give me suggestions for any future looks you'd like to see on this channel, and subscribe to my channel so that when videos like this one go live, you get to see it. I hope you guys do like this look. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay guys, so to hydrate my skin, I'm using the Sephora Lychee sheet mask. It smells super yummy. I did not really record myself with it on my face because it looks super scary once I put it on. But you want to keep the mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rub in any of the excess serum into your skin. Just get it beautifully hydrated. To prep my under eye, I'm using Origin's Ginzing Refreshing Eye Cream. And this just helps like brighten the under eye area and kind of like depuff it from the morning. And I'm applying this with my ring finger because it uses the least amount of pressure from all of your other fingers and just kind of like helps spread that product in. To prep my skin for my foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer. I'm just putting this all over my face and then using my fingers to warm up that product and spread it evenly around my skin. For my foundation, I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in Y415. I just put it on the back of my hand and then I'm dabbing the product all over my face, kind of like getting it to as many areas as possible before I go in and blend it. And this is like a medium coverage foundation that is buildable to full coverage if you wanted it to be. And now I'm using like a dampened beauty blender to blend that out. If you guys have ever seen any of my videos, you know, no harsh lines. This applies to your foundation as well. You don't want any weird patches missing or anything like that. To conceal my under eye, I'm using Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Concealer in 210. And again, going in with the beauty blender just to blend that out. And you kind of just like create like brush strokes under your eye, kind of like mimicking the direction of your eye space. And as you see, that makes it like beautifully highlighted. To set that, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Banana Setting Powder. And I'm just using that with the same beauty blender, applying it. And then just brushing away any of the excess powder. I don't like a super baked look, so I like to brush away any of the excess. To start with my eyes, I'm using Melt Cosmetics Blurr and a Morphe M513 brush. And just kind of like blending this color all over my eyelid space. This is a really great transition color. And I'm using this just to start my eye and kind of giving me that foundation so that the next color will blend beautifully. Next, I'm going in with Melt Cosmetics Unseen. Both of these eyeshadows are from the Dark Matter eyeshadow stack, which is like my favorite from them. I think it was one of the first ones. It's so beautiful. The colors are so pigmented, as you can see, and they're really buildable. This is also another really beautiful like blending and transition shade. Unseen is my favorite. I use it all the time. I will just wear it by itself with some mascara. It's so beautiful. And I pretty much just keep building this color and blending it out like in my crease, my outer V, and then towards the inner corners of my eye until I'm satisfied. As you can see, I get this beautiful like rich brown color. Just keep blending and blending and blending and blending. Yes. For my eyelid, I'm going to be using Stila Cosmetics Bronzed Belle, and this is one of their liquid eyeshadows. I just put the eyeshadow on the back of my hand and kind of use my fingers to pick up as much of the shimmer in the shadow as possible, and then apply that with my fingers and just dab that on. As you can see, it leaves it like super shimmery. The glitter is super cute, so I love applying it that way. I feel like it's the easiest. And just keep applying until you're satisfied again. For my eyelashes, I'm using Milk Cosmetics Kush Mascara. I love this mascara. I don't know what it does, but it makes my eyelashes look super long and really pretty. The brush is awesome. The actual product is amazing. I love it. And then I feel like I don't need falsies, which is wonderful because I didn't want to wear them today. To blend out my lower lash line, again, I'm going in with the Milk Cosmetics Unseen. And to highlight my inner eye corner, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and ABHxAmrezy collab ABHxAmrezy Highlighter. This was super limited edition. They did 2 releases of it. It's never coming out again, which I'm pretty sad about because I broke mine, but that's okay. I'm just gonna have to have it last forever. But again, I'm just using this to highlight the inner corner of my eye to make it super shimmery and bright. To do my eyebrows, I'm using Smashbox Cosmetics Brow Tech Matte Pencil in dark brown. If y'all know, this is my tried and true favorite. I use it all the time, pretty much every single day. Love this pencil. I love eyebrow pencils for filling in your eyebrows because I feel like it's easier to use. If you mess up, you can fix it really easily without ruining the rest of your makeup. It's more precise because there's such a small tip, and you really get to create these like hair-like strokes with the actual pencil. To set my brows, I'm using this Sephora Clear Brow Gel. My eyebrows are kind of crazy. They like to go all over the place, so I like to just set them so that they don't like fall out of place. To start warming up my face and contouring, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and the 2 colors that I'm mixing together are Java and Fawn. I used to use these all the time. I have started using other products to just bronze my face and kind of like warm it up, but these are like my tried and true old faves, like contour powders, and just give you like a really beautiful kind of like warmed up look. And I'm also going in with my Fenty Beauty Sunstalk'r bronzer in Island Ting, and that's just kind of like right on top. This is a beautiful like really warm bronzed color, so I really wanted to have that vibe for this look, so I'm just using that right over where I placed the contour kit colors. To set my face, I'm using the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. And to highlight, again, the Anastasia Beverly Hills and ABHxAmrezy Highlighter. And I'm using a Sigma brush just to apply this on like the high points of my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, and then I will do my Cupid's bow and my brow bone. It just creates like a highlighted, lifted look. You can see that brow already looks like higher and like more attitude. I love it. And that's just from a little bit of highlighter. For my lips, I'm starting with the Fenty Beauty Uncuffed Stunna Lip Paint. This is like my favorite liquid lip. I'm almost out of it. I have to get a new one. I use it all the time. It's such a beautiful nude color. It's not drying. It is matte. Like, it is my favorite. It's so stunning. Rihanna knew what she was doing when she came out with these. It's wonderful. And then just to give my lips a bit more of a contoured look by like highlighting the center of my lips, I'm using Sephora Ingenius and just going in the center. And this is a nice like light nude. And that's it. I hope you guys do like this look. If you do, please do all the things that I said earlier in the video. Thank you for watching. Bye. That was an ugly swatch. Oh well. Hey guys, welcome to Queen's Beauty. Skin is peeling. I hope you guys do like this look. Shit. Mascara trying to hold me down. Yay, I'm so cute. Oh, I have lipstick on my tooth. Great, I gotta do it again.